Today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Server inside a virtual machine. This is a beginner-friendly install. It's safe because we're not deleting Windows or changing your main computer or touching your hard drive. Everything happens in the virtual machine. Linux Server is different from Ubuntu Desktop because it does not come with a normal graphical user interface or a GUI. After the install, you should expect a black screen with a login prompt. That's normal. Server Linux is usually managed from the command line. This is a good setup if you want to learn Linux, home labs, IT support, servers, or SSH. Okay, so here's what you're going to need today. You're going to need a Windows PC or laptop, VirtualBox or VMware, Ubuntu Server ISO file, 2 gigabytes of RAM minimum, 20 to 25 gigabytes free of disk space, an internet connection, and about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on an update. So here we are back in VirtualBox. What you're going to do is press New, name your new virtual machine. I'm going to name mine Server 1. Go to your ISO images, click on Ubuntu Live Server, then click Next. This is all good. Just click Next through this. Here we're going to have 4,996 megabytes. And we're going to have 2 CPU cores. Disk space looks good at 25 gigabytes. Press Next and Finish. Once you hit Finish, your machine will pop up on the left-hand side. Go ahead, click it, and it'll start up. All right, now that we're in VirtualBox, it's going to ask you to install Linux, or it'll give you a few options. Just choose Install Linux. Mine just flashed for a moment, so yours might do the same. All right, now we're at the setup screen. We're going to click our language. I'm choosing English. Click Continue without updating. Click Done. Done again. Done. Done. And you're going to go all the way to the bottom. Do not click Encrypt. And then you're going to press Done one more time. And you're going to select Yes. Continue. Okay, now you're going to enter your name. Then you're going to enter your server name. And then you're going to pick a username. I just use my own name. Put an easy password in, unless you're planning on going live. And then you're going to click down to the bottom and hit Done. I'm not going to install SSH server this time, and I'm going to click Done. I don't need any of these services, but we'll go over them in a future video. So click Done, and now it's installing. So after the install, it's going to try to update any security patches or anything like that. That's what mine is doing right now. If you don't want to do that right now, which is perfectly fine if you don't, just hit Reboot now, and then it'll reboot you into the actual OS. You can do the update. It's just going to take a lot longer. Okay, so now that everything is rebooted, this is Ubuntu starting up. And then it's going to go to a black screen with a lot of texts. So all you're going to do is you're just going to press Enter. So right here, all you're going to do is type in your username, and it's going to ask you for your password. First thing we're going to do is sudo apt update. Then put in your password, and it's going to update. So I like to do an upgrade as well. So sudo apt upgrade, and you click Y, and this installs the rest. So that's everything. Next video will be about Linux commands. Follow for more.